Alright, hello everyone, my name is Financial Charles. Today is September 13th of 2023, and Bitcoin's price is back up at $26,100. And I should have made a video the past couple days, especially when we saw this dip right here a couple days ago on September 11th. As you can see over the past couple days, it's been very volatile. It's been very volatile for sure. Last time I made a video, this dip on September 11th wasn't even there. We were, just hovering around the $26,000 range, or high 25s, about 25.8, and then all of a sudden, we get a dip down, and I believe this was even a new low. Or no, it doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like it was a new low, because we were lower here before this pump up. But notice how it dips so quick, and then all of a sudden it just pumps back up again. And if you watch Benjamin Cowen's videos, you would know that we just recently had a Bitcoin death cross, which is a lagging indicator that indicates that Bitcoin is in a downtrend. But if we just had the bear cross around here, that means that Bitcoin has been bearish. It's been bearish. So yeah, it's a lagging indicator. And typically with death crosses, we do get pumps the day of the death cross, which is why we see a pump all the way to 26.5, which was yesterday. But over the long term, or not long term, but in the near future, over the next couple months, typically what happens with a death cross is that it pumps up and then it continues the downwards trend. So, we're looking to be pretty bearish, and perhaps we're going to be that way over the next couple months. But what I wanted to let you know is, what I plan on doing is I continue to plan on, buying more and more. I'm really trying to get to that whole coiner status, and I really think that over the next couple weeks, I should be reaching that coveted 1 in 21 million, which is going to be great. And if I have to buy, if I have to become a whole coiner at 26,500 even, and it drops all the way down to 20,000, then so be it. I mean, what really matters to me is being 1 in 21 million. I have no interest in waiting until Bitcoin hits 20,000 to go all in. Because I just don't want to risk waiting for an arbitrary 20,000 and it never comes. Even though that all indicators are bearish, everyone in the space is bearish right now, I don't want to wait until it goes down even further. I want to buy right now. What really matters to me, again, is just being that 1 in 21 million. And after I become 1 in 21 million, I will continue to accumulate more and more and more. I never plan to let go of this one Bitcoin. I plan to hold on to this forever. I plan to take it to the grave with me. Anything that I plan on selling, it's going to be over 1 Bitcoin. So if I have like 1.5 Bitcoins, then sure, I'll spend 0.1 on survival needs, on living expenses, but I will never ever allow myself to go below 1 Bitcoin once I purchase this and make myself a whole coiner. I don't care if we just keep going down until the halving. I don't care if we hit new lows. I don't care if we even break these lows at 15,000. I don't care. All that is for me is a better buying opportunity. So I'm just letting you guys know right now. Typically when I lump sum things, the price crashes, and that's typical of me. Like I always, whenever I lump sum, it always just crashes. So just so you know, I plan on lump summing next week, and if that's your indicator, if that's your market indicator that the markets are going to go lower, then so be it. You can short the market if you want. I don't plan on shorting the market. I'm long for sure. But yeah, just a quick little video today. I'm on my lunch break, so just a quick update. This is how I feel. General sentiment around the space is that it's super bearish right now, and this is the time to be buying, man. This is the time to be buying. Yeah, I mean, as Bitcoin price goes lower and lower over these next couple of months, I'll continue to keep making videos. But I'm telling you right now, I'm not waiting for it to go lower, because it might not go low. We are, halving is in April, so we have approximately 8 months. before the halving. And yeah, I cannot wait to see what unfolds. I can't wait to see what unfolds. You know, these are scary times. These are volatile times. You know, a couple days ago, we went all the way down to below 25,000 and people were calling for even lower. And now we just pumped up again to over 26,500 and people are calling for, you know, bull run, this, that. It's very split. But, you know, I think the sentiment is overwhelmingly bearish in the space. So, yeah, quick little update. I don't want to ramble on too long and repeat the same thing over and over again. So I will just end the video here, and, you know, I will make another video later this week. Yeah, that's everything I had to say. Keep buying. You know, let's become some whole coiners. You know, there can only be 21 million whole coiners, and we already know that, you know, it's impossible that there will be 21 million whole coiners, because there are people that hold multiple bitcoins. There are people that lost a ton of bitcoins. Satoshi burned 1 million bitcoins. You know, the dude that lost his computer in a landfill, he holds on to some bitcoins. The guy on Reddit that lost 7,000 bitcoins, like Michael Saylor holding 100,000 bitcoins. All of these people, all of these players, even your next door neighbor that holds 2 bitcoins, even he eliminated, you know, the 21 millionth person to hold. You know what I'm saying? Like, when you're a whole coiner, yes, you're a 1 in 21 million, but in true reality, the number's a lot less than that. Perhaps it might even be 1 in 9 million, you know? When it's all said and done, the amount of people that hold more than 1 Bitcoin, I believe it's going to be less than 10 million, you know, considering the fact of all the lost keys, all the burned keys, you know, all the people that hold multiple coins. These are all factors that, you know, shrink that 1 in 21 million number. So, yeah, to hold a whole coin is a lot bigger of a privilege than just 1 in 21 million. So, yeah, that's all I had to say. Keep stacking sats. You know, now's the time to buy sats for cheap. And, you know, this is a great bear market, man. I think this is going to be the last bear market where the average Joe can accumulate 1 whole coin. I think by the time the next halving comes, not the April 2024 one, but the 2028 halving, you know, being a whole coiner is going to be a distant dream for many people. So yeah, time to stack right now. That's everything I had to say for today's video, and I will see you guys in another video.